Hey guys, Alexeja here, and today we're going to be doing Halloween makeup. I have this deer makeup kit. A bunch of people, I had a poll on Instagram and my Facebook, and a bunch of people voted on this deer makeup, so I'm going to be doing this deer makeup first, and then I'm going to do another one next. I have like 4 makeup kits or something like that, but we are going to do deer first. I'm not sure exactly how I'm going to do it. It's going to be kind of like my beautiful bones one. I'm just going to kind of go, and what comes out at the end is what comes out at the end. I'm going to try to mainly use this kit, so you can look at this kit and I will explain how everything applies, how it dried, how it worked, everything. So let's get into that. I'm going to first prime my face and everything, and then I'm going to add this. It says it's water activated, so I guess I'm just going to add a little bit of water and we'll see how that goes. Okay, so I got my face primed, my hair looks a mess. We are going to open this palette and I'm going to tell you my thoughts on it. So let's get this opened. What was that? That was terrible. Nothing opened. I am starving. My stomach won't shut up. I'm sorry, I just got off work and I haven't ate yet. I just was like, I want to do my makeup now. I got off work, I can do my makeup now. I forgot to eat. Oh well, I guess I'll eat when I get done with this. Grr, it won't open. Okay, there it goes. Got a little sponge. I got our little antlers. Oh, they're pretty cute. If I don't drop it. Okay, we got our little makeup thing. I feel like I'm about to sneeze. Oops, sorry. Okay, anyway, excuse me. Anyway, here's our makeup palette. I'm starving, shut up, stomach. We got our little pearls. My camera's probably not going to focus. It never likes to focus when I want it to. But those are the little pearls. We got little diamond sequin thingies. I feel like I'm gonna sneeze again. Go away, sneeze. Okay, so freak. Sorry, excuse me again. Blah, 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 blah. That was my stomach, I'm sorry. Okay. So it says I need a cup of water, which I kind of figured. Sorry. Pardon my grossness. Anyway, I'm going to go get a small cup of water so we can wash our brush and whatnot and add some water into our paint. And then it says you just need 2 to 3 drops in the little palette. Okay. Technically, you're supposed to test it on your skin first, but I don't want to wait 30 to 60 minutes for a reaction. So we're just gonna do it, and if my face breaks out, you know, oh well. We'll get that cup. I'll be right back. You got the small cup of water. Going to try to clean up my area because I left myself no space. Dropping everything. I would like to use my contour palette too, so I can use some more brown. Yeah, there it is. Okay. Because I'm going to try to, enhance all these, Sorry. My stomach is empty, and I'm going to try to enhance all these, lines and stuff where the deer, facial structure is going to be. My stomach won't stop. I got this. I'm gonna try to just stay with these 2 colors. As you can see, I use this one a lot. I'm gonna need to get a new one. So let's open this up. Butters. Yes. It is not my best day on nail painting things, is it? Okay. And dropping things. Got our tiny little... Ooh, that feels disgusting. Look at this freaking makeup brush. Look at that. Look how hard that is. That is disgusting. No one wants to use that. That's gross. I'm gonna throw that away. I'm not even gonna use that. I'll go find some of my paintbrushes. Like, that's disgusting. Trash. Shh. Oh my goodness, kitty. You're being too loud. Okay, so we have this. We're gonna add just a few drops of water into each one. I'm just gonna kind of use my fingers and just like grab some. Hope I don't have too much water, but you know, my luck I probably will. Okay, so I don't have that crappy paintbrush to mix these, but we got our finger. There's the white. Alrighty. This is supposed to be the brown. It's kind of gold, like a bronze gold kind of. I don't know. It's got a lot of shimmer in it. And there's the black. I might add a little too much water. Maybe just a little bit. Think so? Probably. I didn't get paper towels. I'm gonna use toilet paper. Oh well. Okay, so I need to find a little brush. I'm just gonna use this makeup brush. Just this little crappy brush I have. That I should probably get new ones. We're gonna start with... I don't want to start with the paints. I want to start with the powder first. I want to start with the contour palette. I'm going to kind of just go around the like edge of my nose, like through my eyebrows, kind of just all the way through. Darken the sides, darken here, just kind of darken all the shadowy areas with the browns. And then we're going to add over that the paint. So let's get started. Okay guys, so here's the completed deer makeup. The black paint that I used for the lips is kind of like bleeded onto the bottom lip, so don't mind that, and just kind of incorporated it into the look. It's gonna have to be as it is. I've tried wiping it off and it just comes back. So the bottom lip is not what I planned, but that's what happened. And I had a little like sequin on my Cupid's bow, but that fell off, so that didn't last very long, and I kind of used all of them. So, oh well. It was there for a little bit, and then after I made a few like TikTok videos, then it was gone. So that was the end of that. Anyway, that the makeup palette seemed to work actually fairly well. I was actually pretty happy with it. I've had a lot of Halloween makeups where they just like say that they're gonna work, and then you try them, and then like the beautiful bones thing I did where it just like got really crackly and everything. This one, I don't know if you can see, it looks fine. It's not really wiping off. It's not all like crackly and gross looking like how the beautiful bones looked after it dried. This one actually looks good. I used these extremely large eyelashes that I got in the Halloween section as well. They had the top and bottom lash of just like glitter, and I thought it would look good with the deer because deer have like big eyes. So here's the big eye look. I put all the little like pearls right here around my eye. I'll probably knock them off. Right here around my eye are the pearls, and then I put the little, oh, some of them fell off. See, the sequins didn't last. The sequins, I have one here, I had one over here, I had one here, it's gone. I have some on my forehead, here and there, they're kind of falling off. My cat is hungry, so you hear him yelling, he wants some food. The antlers are actually pretty cute, I like them. I would actually probably wear these just because I like wearing ears and stuff, so I probably wear these antlers just because without all this face, but I like the antlers. So I actually like how it came out. This eyelash is falling off, so don't mind that as well. Like I said, I've been wearing this for a little bit, so this is just like after about an hour's worth of wear is what this is. So the eyelash is falling off. I've lost a few sequins. I mean, it happens. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you enjoyed me doing that palette. Sorry, I'm losing my voice. If you guys would like to see me do any other palettes, I have a playlist of Halloween makeup that I've already done. I have done a deer makeup before. It didn't look quite like this, but I have done a deer makeup before. If you would like to look at that deer makeup and any other Halloween makeup, I will leave in a playlist section. It's just all Halloween makeup and everything else I've done. I still have like those 4 or 5 palettes that I need to get done, and October's almost over, but those will be like back to back. I'm gonna try to get all those done. So keep an eye out for the rest of the Halloween makeup that I have for this month. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for any more cosplay, hair related, or any other weird things I do. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more. And I will leave everything in the description below that I used, the palette, and not a list of all my makeup. I've done that before. It's just a long list of makeup. Just the palette and what you can find, these eyelashes, the palette, and whatnot. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. I'll quit rambling. Anyway, my name's Alexia, and I'll see you guys in the next makeup video. Bye!